Hello friends, welcome to my video. And in this video I would like to show you that how you can make a rectangular shape wooden flower pot like this one. You can see I put a soil and then I planted here sown sweet basil seeds, and let's see, I will show you after some time how is it growing. And this is another rectangular shape wooden flower pot. I made it using wood and cardboard. There is no plastic, and I planted two marigold flower. And here is the third one, which is I just planted here mint. So these are the rectangular shape flower pot I made especially because I have a small limited space for gardening in apartment, so you can utilize this my technique to grow more plants in a limited area. Okay, so you can see here I have some small traditional flower pot, but this is the new vertical style rectangular style flower pot. And here is this one is also, and you can replace any soil, any flower pot anytime. And here is my tomato plant and some other flowering plant, but these are the very special I prepared. So let's start. I will show you how to make this one, and I would like to thank you for watching my video. Okay, so to make a wooden flower pot, or so I have this wooden storage carrier, which it's almost ready to throw in the garbage, but I want to make reuse as a flower pot. So I'm going to cut this from here and from here, then I will cut from it here and then here, so that I can make 3 pieces, and then use for making a wood soil storage to make a planting. So let's start to cut it. So now you can see this is my first cutting place. I'm using this iron saw blade. It will take some time, but it will cut. So I will show you after some time once it will be cut down. So now I already have cut 2 sides. One side this one side is the bottom one, and now I have to cut this from the middle. So I already mark where I have to cut. So this is the third cut. So now you can see I have already cut all 3 sides, and this portion can be separated. So this is my first piece of this wooden stand, and then same way I have to cut from this other side. Okay, so let's start to cut this and I will use this as a soil stand. So now you can see I have cut the second portion also, and so now these 2 pieces has been separated out, and next and this is my third piece. This is my third piece. You can see they need some cleaning, and then I will sand them, and after that I will start painting all three of them. So next part is its cleaning and sanding with the sandpaper. So now you can see all my three pieces I have cleaned, and you can see this is already standing by its own, and this piece is also good. And now I will sand them outside a little bit so that I can paint them easily. However, in the third piece I have to remove this part, this stick, which is almost, you can see it's broken, it's not good. So here I have an extra piece of wood which can be replaced by easily, like this one, you can see. So I will remove this part and then add another one. Okay, so now you can see I have removed this part. It was the broken wood, and replace a new one here, this one, which is now good. Now next part is cleaning. So I'm using this 3M60 number sandpaper to clean this wood. Not much, just to clean little bit so that I can paint it very easily. Okay, I will show you after cleaning all these three pieces after sanding. So now you can see I painted this first piece with the white paint, and another two are here. All three pieces are being painted. I painted only outside, not from inside, and this is my third one. So let them dry, and then after that we'll start filling sand, soil to plant. So this is my first piece of wooden. You can see I use this cardboard and cut it in such a way so that I can make a box inside, and so I make a two box, one from this side, one from this side. And now you can see how it look like from outside, and from in the bottom part is also so now I will show you how it look like in the bottom part. So this bottom part is a cardboard which will make a kind of rectangular box, and it can easily stand up. So we can use any other thing, plastic, you can use a cloth, make a box, but I would like to use this cardboard, which is like a kind of green, everything will remain green, and whenever I need it I can remove this cardboard and we can replace the soil. And in this one I have these two soil, which is a earth grow potting soil, and another one is a potting mix, miracle grow. So I will add the potting soil this first, and then on the top of this one the potting mix, and then I will transfer these small African marigold plant. You can see how beautiful flowers are there. So in one of them will be like here, and so this box I made flowering pot, and I'm going to add these marigold flower pots. So I will show you when I will fill this soil and then ready to plant these marigold. So now you can see I added almost 2/3 part of this earth grow soil in both of the boxes, and now I'm going to fill remaining is this soil. It's a very deep, and you can see it's almost half is done, so each is required quarter soil. So now you can see I added this potting soil miracle grow in these both the boxes, both the sides. It's little less than, probably I think 3 inches less, 3 or then from the top. And now I will cut these plastic to plant in this one marigold. So one plant on each side, and let's see how it will work. Now you can see I have planted both the marigold plants into each box, and this is my homemade flower pot. So it's time to add some water and little bit on the plant. So, and I will show you how these are growing in future. So this was the first part, and then let's start the another one. We have another two small pieces, so let's work on those one. Now you can see these are the two other pieces, and I already put a cardboard box inside. So here is this cardboard I'm using, and I cut in such a way so that they can go and slide in this in its pocket. You can see like this, and they make a very good space for holding a soil. So now I will fill the soil in all 4 of them, and then we'll plant basil and mint. So now you can see I have filled these two space with the soil, and here I have these are the sweet basil seeds. So I'm going to add some sweet basil seeds here, and then we'll add some water. So just cover these seeds with the soil, and then I will add some water. And then on this side also I'm going to grow some, and let's see how many will come. So after some time I will show you if they are growing or how they are working. And in this other flower pots I fill the soil, and you can see I planted I have this basil plant, and I cut 2 of them from the bottom and then planted here to grow more base. This is a mint, sorry, it's not basil, it's mint. So one is here and one is here. So these are the 2 flower pot. These are the kind of vertical, or you can say elongated, very in the wooden. If you have very small space for the gardening, so we can utilize extra wood in such a way, and they are very flexible, so you can move them anywhere, and then whenever you need you can replace with the cardboard and put a new plant or something else. And then I will update you after some time how these are growing. And thank you for watching, and then I hope you will like my video. So thank you, bye now.